This is the 4th edition of the Bronx Night Market. Now we're going to see how things progressed from the summer into the fall. Two's company, three's a crowd, and four's a party. Bronx Night Market held its 4th edition in September, continuing to solidify the food festival's popularity in our favorite borough. Lucky number 4 seemed to be the theme as the market introduced 4 new vendors to the lineup. Amanda Celestino spoke with us about the fall market and what to expect.
I feel great. I feel like this is another good one. The weather is beautiful. There's a lot of autumn spirit in the air, and Fordham's back in session, which is great. So we have some new blood here, but it's one of my favorite. I say it every time, but it's my favorite time. It's my new favorite market. I thought I loved August, but now I love September.
We spoke to a new vendor who's serving up some gelato with a side of stress relief.
We also offer an optional CBD cannabis oil on our gelato. It's the cannabis oils from the hemp plants, but it's not the psychotropic. THC is the psychotropic. The CBD is the relax. So it's supposed to help with inflammation and help with some anxiety. So we offer it as an optional topping in our gelato.
And for the people wondering what the difference is between gelato and ice cream, well,
gelato has a lot less fat because it's mostly milk, whereas ice cream is mostly cream. And it also has a lot less air, which is why it feels so much denser and smoother and creamier. So the flavors really burst in your mouth. They're very, very extreme.
Or how about this vendor whose ceviche is sure to leave you speechless?
A Peruvian raw fish cooked with the lime juice, marinade with the Peruvian hot pepper. For Peruvians, the ceviche gotta be spicy.
Contestants described the assortment of flavors and textures from Caspanish, Uncle T spices, latzalacas, jibarito, pork cube, and impayea. What are you tasting when you taste this?
It tastes like ginger.
This is definitely Caribbean.
It's definitely cinnamon in it.
It's really good. It's like tangy in a way. Peppers, I think.
It tastes like chicken.
All right, so everybody give them a round of applause. Yes. This year's final Bronx Night Market is October 27th, and we'll be sure to go out on a high note. Reporting for BronxNet, Darissa White.